It's officially summertime. Pool party is the best activity to have fun. I decided to crochet something that captured that perfect, lazy sunbathing vibe. Today we are making these ridiculously cute, chubby little amigurumi swimmers. They are surprisingly easy to make, and they are the perfect quick make for summer craft markets, or just to sit on your desk and remind you to take a vacation. Grab your hook, grab a cold drink, and let's get making. For this project, you want a nice clean stitch, so I recommend medium cotton yarn. You'll need a skin tone, a hair color, I'm using black for our little red swimmer, and a fun, bright color for the swimsuit. I'm using a 2mm hook to keep my tension tight so the stuffing doesn't show through. We're starting down top with the head, so we actually start with the skin color, do a color change, and finish the bottom half of the sphere in the skin tone. We start with 6 single crochets in a magic ring and increase up to 30 stitches. In round 9, you'll drop your skin tone and bring in your hair color. Don't forget to stuff the head firmly before we decrease back down to 6 stitches and fasten off. For the hair buns, we are just making 2 tiny little domes, a magic ring of 6 and 2 rounds of single crochets. Now for the fun part, the body. These dolls have a very specific, adorable shape, and it all starts with the legs. Make your first leg, increasing from 6 to 15 stitches, and fasten off. But when you make your second leg, do not cut the yarn. We are going to chain them together to start the body. Round 12 is where the magic happens. We crochet 15 stitches around the first leg and 15 around the second for a total of 30 stitches. Now pay close attention to rounds 13 and 14. We are doing staggered increases on the back of the doll to create that little chubby swimsuit shape. Next part is arm. We continually crochet on the body. Begin with one arm first. Stuff the body and arm nicely as you go, and continue making another arm the same way. Sew the head onto the top of the body and pop those cute little hair buns onto the sides of the head. Chain 4 and connect the back side part. Crochet and created single crochet at the both last stitches. 80 and others doing single crochet. For the front side, just doing single crochet around. Double crochet on the last round for the skirt wave. You can sew some hearts or flowers for decoration. For the swimsuit bra, chain 10 for the strip, and chain 3 to begin making 6 unfinished double crochet. Pull throughout together, and chain 2, repeat another one. And there she is, ready for the pool. I absolutely love how these turned out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that subscribe button. You will get free crochet patterns every week. Happy crocheting and stay cool out there.